Guys, good morning. Is it morning? Yes, it's still morning. And I'd like to continue with part two of the recap video from yesterday. Sorry, day before yesterday. For Jensen, what you missed was basically this training, how to use three cameras in a video shoot. Okay, what are the procedures, what are the steps, and what not to do. Okay, so I hope this video is going to help you for your final year project as well. Do give it a watch just before you start shooting, just to get a reminder of what not to do and what to do. So step one, this is a multi-cam production or a multi-camera shoot. And basically what it means is that these two handsome blokes and myself will be shooting the same object. In this case, there's someone sitting here or an activity that's happening here, and we're going to use three cameras to shoot the one activity. Okay. Now it's important to note that these three cameras are placed at specific angles. Okay, no closer than 45 degrees to me. If the cameras are too close to me, this angle, the footage will look the same. We don't want that. We want some variety. So you can tell they're going up and down, they're reframing, they are trying to find an angle and a framing style that will help us, the three of us. Remember, we are thinking like editors now. We're not thinking like camera people. And an editor would like to have footage from three different perspectives to make for a very interesting sequence. Okay, guys? This is a scene, this is a sequence, and the sequence is made up of shots, different shots, right? So camera over there, he's probably shooting medium or extreme close-up. He's shooting a medium shot, I'm shooting maybe a wide. Whatever it is, we three need to talk to each other to confirm that we are not shooting the same angle and even the same activity. What does that mean? Well, imagine there's someone sitting in front and that person is talking and showing off a product. This is a camera, blah, blah, blah. Now I could shoot that guy holding the camera. He may probably be shooting just the guy's face. This handsome dude over here may be just shooting the camera. Okay? Regardless of whatever is happening, the three of us need to know what each other is doing, and we must not overlap. Okay? Alright. So what is the procedure for shooting something like this? Well, as in the earlier video, I taught you how to set shutter speed, aperture, white balance, frame rates, and all that. You need to make sure that the three of these dudes are doing the same thing. We three need to have similar looking footage. Okay? But I am looking straight on, there's a light hitting me straight in the face. This guy is slightly to the side, this guy slightly to this side. Each aperture setting for these cameras will be different, and that is fine. What we need to do is look and confirm. Okay, guys? Once everything is ready, you need to follow these protocols. Protocol number one, the director has to shout, "Stand by." All right? And when we say stand by, it is understood that everybody has to shut up. Okay? When I say everybody, I'm not talking of the three cameramen, I'm talking of everyone in the room, including someone's girlfriend, catering people, whatever. Quiet. Okay? Actor has to ready himself, remember the script, cue card people, sound people, light people, stand by. Right? Next step is rolling. Director will yell rolling, the camera people will acknowledge rolling, rolling, rolling. And then this guy has to come into the front and then disappear. This is a clapboard, and a clapboard synchronizes the audio between three cameras. Okay? Remember, these three cameras have to be edited in sync. In other words, they have to start at the same time and probably end at the same time. Okay, guys? So, very important that we use to create that sound, and we need to see that. Okay? All three cameras must be able to see it. So you need to show it to that that camera. Make sure everybody can see the clapperboard, and then you clap it. Alright guys? After that is done, the director will look at everything and then he will yell, action. Okay? The actor does his or her job, the camera people get the job, the director is happy, the director yells, cut. Let's reset. Reset means let's go to the beginning and do everything from scratch because the director wants variety. Variety means he wants coverage. Okay, remember that phrase, coverage. Now at that point in time, the director will also tell the camera people, yo dude, can you try a different angle? You try a different angle, Ian, you try from the top down. That's what we have to do. We have to get variety of shots, variety of angles. Why? Well, I could shoot this video with one camera. It will look like a one camera video, okay? But directors like creative control. They like making the scene more energetic. They like to add interest to the scene. They like to tell a better story. It's like giving Picasso a variety of paints and brushes. Instead of giving him a house brush with wall paint and tell him, please go and paint your masterpiece, he's going to curse. But if you gave him a lot of brushes, if you gave him a lot of paint, you give him freedom, he will create a masterpiece for you. And that's what this is about. It's about creative freedom for the video editor, creative freedom for the director. Okay guys, so let me recap. Find your positioning. If you notice, he's slightly lower down. He wants to get close up of the handle. He's also using a tripod because he knows that when you zoom in, the camera is going to shake. This guy is a bit arrogant. He thinks he can hold it well. That's fine. Alright, if he fails, I'll slap him. But the truth of the matter is, he may also want to use a tripod. If this shoot starts going into 2 to 3 hours long, I guarantee you he's going to change to a tripod to make his life easier. I'm using a handheld shot because this is a demonstration. But if this were a real world environment and we were shooting a real production, I guarantee you all of us would be on tripods or a slider or a jib up. Okay? These are all what we call support technologies which you have to learn. And yeah, one day we are going to get there. But the purpose of this video is, ladies and gentlemen, 3 cameras shooting one object, same settings, synchronizing sound, and getting coverage. Alright guys? Alright, I hope this is a reminder for you. If you have any questions about this, please shoot me an email or WhatsApp message and I will expand further. Thank you. You can disappear now.